Want to sell your Academy LMS courses with powerful membership control? In this video, I'll show you how to use WishList member with Academy LMS. Before activating the Academy LMS WishList member integration add-on switch, you need to install and activate the WishList member WordPress plugin. Go to Academy LMS add-ons, find WishList member integration, and switch it on. Now head over to WishList member setup, integrations, other services. Then select and enable Academy LMS. After activating the integration, you'll have two main ways to manage actions between WishList member and Academy LMS. Here's a concise overview of the two options: membership level actions and course actions. Choose the membership level you want to set actions for by clicking its name or the edit icon. Here you can set actions for two membership level events. You can then choose two actions to link with these triggers. Now choose the membership level event you want to use as a trigger: added, removed, or canceled. Select the action you want to happen: enroll in course or remove from course. Don't forget to click Save and Close to apply your settings. Course actions. Course actions are the opposite of membership level actions. In this section, we use events, triggers within Academy LMS to initiate actions in WishList member. Select the Course Actions tab. This will display a list of your courses created in Academy LMS. To configure course actions for a specific course, select its name or click the edit icon. Course Actions presents two enrollment-related triggers. Choose the Academy LMS course event you want to use as a trigger: when enrolled in this course, or when course is completed. Remember to click Save and Close to apply your settings. Let's check memberships level. Now from the dashboard of WishList member, there are no members showing. To test the functionality, we'll switch gears and view the development course from the student's perspective. Imagine you're a student browsing available courses. Locate the enrollment option for the development online course on the student-facing course page. Proceed with enrolling yourself in the course, mimicking a student's action. After successful enrollment, check your WishList member dashboard to see if you've been automatically assigned the designated level associated with the digital marketing course. Here you can see that one member was added in the member section. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.